First, we will open the trunk. We will use this plastic trim remover tool and punch it in on the corner of the tail light to take out that cover. Try punching in the tool from top and the bottom until you completely take out that plastic cover. Once the cover is taken out, notice behind the cover there are 2 screws. We'll use Torx 25 bit along with a gun to take it out, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a Torx 25 bit if you want. Once both the screws are out, now we will slightly try to pull out the tail light. Notice behind the tail light there is a plug that needs to be taken out. Using the bottom part of this plastic tool, we'll actually need to pull up that red tab first. Once that red tab is up, then we will press and hold that black color tab and then pull the plug outwards. With the plug pulled out, there we have the tail light taken out. In case if you want to replace the bulb, behind the tail light there is actually 2 screws that needs to be taken out. We'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to take those 2 screws out. Notice behind this foam there are actually 2 more screws that also needs to be taken out. There we took out both the screws. Now we will have to pull this cover out completely. You can just push this from behind like I did in my case and then you can pull it out. There you see that bulb behind that cover. To take out this bulb, press this bulb downwards and then turn it anti-clockwise. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. All you have to do is just match those tiny 2 edges of the bulb with the 2 edges of that spot right there. It actually has 2 spots right there, one at the top and one at the bottom. Those 2 edges are given specifically for the edges of the bulb. So we have to place the bulb by aligning those 2 edges, and once the bulb is completely in, only then we turn the bulb clockwise to install it firm and strong. And after that it's not coming out. Same goes with this tiny bulb. All you have to do is just pull it out just like that. Now suppose you got a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter this way or the other. All you have to do is just punch it in back and then press it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Just like that. Now we will go ahead and install it back to where it came from. We have to match the shape of this tail light with the shape of this cover. Once the cover is in, we'll recommend to push it from all over the edges to install it firm and tight. You make sure it's completely in. Only then we will go ahead and put the 2 screws at the top and 2 screws at the bottom. For the bottom screws, I would recommend punching the screw in the screwdriver first and then punching it in that hole right there. All the screws are installed and we align the foam to where it was before. Now we will go ahead and install this tail light back. We will go ahead and punch in this plug. Make sure the red colored tab is facing the opposite side. Once the plug is in, press the plug until you hear a clicking sound. After, you press the red tab on top of it. Now we will make sure that this edge of the tail light is slided in towards the bracket right there. Once the tail light is completely in, only then we will go ahead and put back the screws. Now I will be tightening those screws back with a Torx 25 screwdriver. Will not be using gun in this case because sometimes tightening with the gun ends up breaking the tabs of the tail light itself. That's why tightening with a screwdriver is actually recommended. Just make sure the tail light is completely in to punch in the screws. Once both the screws are tight, then we will go ahead and put back this plastic cover. Notice this cover has an edge on top right here, and then there's one edge right here and one in the middle. So all these 3 edges needs to be matched with the spots on the tail light. We'll go ahead and put back the plastic cover by keeping in mind those edges. Make sure the cover is aligned properly, only then we give it a slight push until we hear a clicking sound. Also try to push the tail light from the corner, making sure it's completely in. With that, we are done with our replacement process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.